Hey y'all, welcome back to another episode here on my channel. I am coming to you from Berkeley, California on quarantine lockdown. I went to the grocery store this morning and there was a line out the door, but really the lines are to regulate how many people are coming in. If you see a line outside of your local grocery store, just know that they're regulating how many people can be inside. So it's less of a, oh, there's no resources right now. There are a bunch of resources. It's more of trying to control the spreading of corona at the moment. I'm really trying to stay away from a lot of media and hype, just taking into consideration the facts. I'm trying to do science-based research right now. Highly recommend everyone to do science-based research, to get involved, to get into knowing what is going on around us, and just to get to do the safety precaution things of keeping our hands clean, covering our faces if we're sick, social distancing 6 feet away from people, sanitizing everything in your house. So this video is 5 life hack things you can do in your home to make sure that your immune system is A-okay. I'm really into life hack things. I'm really into food culture. I'm really into self-help culture. And there are so many things we can do just at home that can help us to keep our immune system safe. So the first thing I'm going to explain to you all is garlic. Garlic contains compounds with potent medicinal properties. It's highly nutritious, but has very little calories. So popping a clove of garlic in your mouth right now might actually seem like a good way to get connected to someone. If you smell somebody who's got garlic breath, you can make out with them. They're probably like doing the work right now. The second thing I'm going to recommend you is to eat a bunch of oranges. Yes, they are high in vitamin C. Oranges are really tasty, they're a natural sugar. So next we're going to talk about ginger. The next on the list is taking a shot of apple cider vinegar. I tell you what, it is great for doing any kind of bacterial cleansing. It reduces harmful bacteria spreading, and hello, that's the whole thing of what we're going through right now is like, it is high up in the healthful substances that you can have at home and do for self-care. And we have sea salt here. Now, sea salt is great for seasoning. Obviously, it's better than iodized salt, whatever better or worse means. I try not to use that language, but sea salt is used for a number of things. You would normally see it in cooking, but it's also great as a disinfectant. So, coronavirus has been known to start in your mouth. So a good way to prevent that from happening is to just rinse out your mouth with like sea salt water, like right when you come home, right before you go to bed, anything that you can do to make a conscious effort of checking in with your body. A lot of this is about just checking in with our body. Now more than ever, we are definitely at a time of self-care. What does self-care look like? That's my question of the day. What does self-care look like to you right now? So our best interest and the thing to do for us right now is to get informed for ourselves. Do what's best for me in this moment is my motto. I hope you all enjoyed these 5 life hacks, things that you can do at home to stay healthy and stay clean. And these are all items that you can find in your house right now. You might have 3 of them, you might have 1 of them, whatever the number is. You can immediately start doing these things and implementing them into your everyday practice. I'm so grateful to have y'all, and I'm so happy to be back on YouTube and doing my videos. Your support means the world to me. I'm really loving all the thumbs up. I'm loving the feedback. I'm even loving the hate out there, you know what I mean? It's all great for me right now. It's a good time to be back on YouTube sharing my opinions and sharing my life with y'all. So I am very grateful and very blessed, and I thank you. And as usual, in your presence, I am blessed to bring to you what I know best: peace of mind, uncompromised, love only. Later.